Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to talk about the skills you need to learn in the next 60 days in the year of 2025, before 2025 ends, so that you can make 2026 your year, the most successful year in your life. 2025 has been super wild. AI catching up to everything, tech companies laying off, some businesses losing their clients, too many job applicants on the portals, no interview calls. But guess what? There are lots of people, a different segment of people who have made the most of the money in their life, career growth, making more money, great life, which includes buying cars and houses and all of that. What's the difference? Skills. These people have gained skills. Today we're going to talk about those four top skills that you need to learn. I'm going to talk about these in the next 10 minutes, and do see the videos till the end so that you will have a great understanding about the skills and the tools, the free tools, which is applicable to be used for this. Personal branding. Personal branding is very important. You need to stand out in the current market. How do you do that? Be active in social media and start creating some content, some or the other content. Start with the LinkedIn. Do you have a LinkedIn profile? If you don't have, please create one. Write your experience down and highlight your achievements. Express opinions on the latest topics, such as AI agents or let's say AI tools. If you are a software engineer, then go into creating profiles in LeetCode, GitHub, and all those similar profiles as well. Second step in the first skill, which is YouTube. Create a channel, learn to make videos, and learn to edit the videos. Use tools such as Premiere Pro or let's say a shortcut to do the to edit the videos in a very simple way. Cut, format, add text, change layout. That's it. You are done with your editing videos. Skill 2. Learn AI and AI tools. We did talk about learning ChatGPT or Perplexity in a different video. But let's go through the steps. Step 1. Learn prompting. AI results are as good as the prompt you give it to it. Use RTC rule. Very, very simple. Give it a role, a task, and a context. Always follow the RTC format. Expand your learning into research. AI tools have capabilities to do research or building a website, which is AI labs. Great way to start is just try them. Just download, try them. These are free tools. You can use Kling AI or Nano Banana to play around with the videos. Why? Why should you do this? In the past, experience is equal to money that you can make. But now, you get a level playing field with an experienced person using AI. You can make some money, more money, a lot more money than them. No selling, I don't want to do that. Okay, in my video, you will not see any course selling. I'm not going to sell you any courses. I don't do that in my videos. Just try the tools. It's for your benefits. Let's go to the skill 4. Articulation or presentation, relevant for public speaking or even making a sale or in an interview. Let's look at the structure. Start with the problem. Always start with what the problem is. Be clear if it is a problem worth solving. Go into the solutions next. Talk about different methods to solve the problem. Look at how others have solved the problem and then draw inspiration from it. Always have multiple solutions in your hand. Proposal. Third step. Propose a preferred solution. Be clear and crisp. Let's look at an interview question. Tell me about yourself. Normal style. I went to this college, worked for XYZ company for 4 years, worked on 5 projects, and blah 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 skills and all those. How to do this better? Talk about what you learned in the college, such as you ran a project working with a company. Then pick the top 2 work experience. Talk about your achievements. Talk about your learnings. Always make your presentation crisp, engaging, and humor. Have some humor in it. Have some fun in it. You could be an introvert, just like me, but you do this. It'll change your life. Presentation and articulation is everything. Capturing these skills for writing articulation. Let's just extend this. Learn how to write a complete context Don't write one-liners. Don't write two-liners. Write a full context and avoid confusion. Always go through what you wrote before you send it or before you post it, even if it is an email or a chat or a post. Internet is about text. Apart from the videos and the images you see, a large 60-70% of internet still operates on articles, applications. You write applications, you talk text to each other. So it's all about text. Clear, crisp, and thought through text. Let's look at the fourth skill, personal finance. Now you might think that everyone knows personal finance. No, not really. Everyone in their 20s and 30s do not understand personal finance. Why should otherwise we have maxing out credit cards, no cost EMIs, iPhones and cars on EMIs? We never learned personal finance at our school. But start investing. How much do you make? How much do you save? How much do you invest? How much of emergency funds you have? How much is in your EMI? For example, your EMI should not be more than 35% of your take home salary. No one ever told me this. I'm telling you this now. Credit cards. What credit cards do you own? Why do you need a specific credit card? Again, there are no ads on my channel, so I won't suggest any credit card to you. But a simple, let's just take a simple SIP, a systematic investment plan into mutual funds example. Let's say you invest 20K per month for 10 years. It gives you 46 lakhs at a 12% return. But in 20 years, it gives you 2 CR. In 30 years, which is probably your whole work life, it gives you 7 CR. That is more than enough for a person to retire in India. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Please share your feedback on the comments. Do subscribe. Thank you.